YouTube Studio Dashboard Tutorials. Hi guys, this is Tiffany. Welcome back to another YouTube Studio Dashboard tutorial. Now, if you are anything like me, you are constantly digging into your analytics and you are learning more and more every day. Now, one of the things that I am exploring, and hopefully you are too because you clicked on this video, is can I impact my current views just by tweaking some of the information on my title, thumbnail, and tags? And I got interested in this because as I was viewing some of my content and just kind of seeing how it's doing, I noticed in my shorts that I seem to be experiencing a little bit of a lag. So on my videos, I am doing pretty good. Daily, I am seeing that each of the videos are increasing in views. But when I go to my shorts and I separate here by the views, you see, now this video from years ago, 6 years ago, still has the most views. But as I go down and I get out of the hundreds, I see that some of my newer content is really stuck in the 30s. So I have a couple of videos that are stuck at 33, one at 34, one at 31. So let's go ahead and check out this one on my monetization and see, is there something that I possibly missed? So we're going to see if we can't get this more views than 34. First, let's check out the analytics. So I see that this video has 33 views. I've gained 2 subscribers. Let's check the reach. So YouTube has only shown this short in the feed 41 times. So it's actually doing pretty good to have 33 views. Let's see if we can't get YouTube to recommend this video more just by doing some tweaks. So let's go into the details and see if there's something that I can do better. Day 5, Road to Monetization, is the title. And here is the description. And I really have nothing in the description but some hashtags. I have seen success with making sure that I am matching my title and my description. So I'm going to copy that and put that here. But let's see if there's possibly, and look at there, monetization is spelled wrong. So let's correct that. Let's also go into the title generator on TubeBuddy and see if we can't get some better ideas of a title. YouTube monetization secrets. I really don't think that those go along well, but let's settle on this one just to see. YouTube monetization, channel growth, day 5. So let's put that, oops, copy the wrong thing. Let's go and put this here. And we're also going to put it here. Now let's also see if there's anything else we missed. I noticed that I did not add this video to a playlist. I'm going to add it to my YouTube journey. Since that playlist does get a lot of views, let's see if I can increase the views on this video by adding it there. I am going to upload a thumbnail, but you see it's telling me that I have to change the thumbnail on my mobile app. So I will do that on my mobile app. Altered content. I didn't select anything, so let's just make sure that we don't leave anything unchecked. So I'm going to check that. I also noticed that I do not have any tags applied to this video. Let's see what TubeBuddy says. These ones that have highlights on it, that is just showing the SEO score of the tag. So I'm going to choose all of those that I think make sense. And you see, it allows for us to pop-ups. It allows for us to select up to 500 characters. So we're going to max it out. Okay, that is looking pretty good. Let's roll down and see if there's anything else we missed. I didn't select a language, so let's go ahead and pop in English. And recording date, we're going to leave that as none. Standard YouTube license. The reason why I'm leaving this at a standard YouTube license is because I am not a international content creator. I believe that that is something that's more set for international use from what I've been finding in the my research. Category. I think that this is interesting that it put it automatically as comedy. I am going to change that to people and blogs. And let's go ahead and hit save. I am going to go ahead and update the thumbnail, but I hope for you guys to go ahead and keep an eye on this with me. Currently, it has 34 views. We are going to give it a week and see if just by changing some of the simple settings in the dashboard, if we can impact the views of our videos. See you next time.